What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the WordPress login menu, the login link to the WordPress navigation menu. So we're gonna learn how to do this into the WordPress classic themes. If you're using a block theme, please go to the other video on our channel about it, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over the appearance menu. Once right here, you're gonna be able to see a submenu called menus, okay? Click on it. Normally it's between theme editor and widgets. Now, I'm gonna need you to find your primary menu, okay? The menu that you have on your site that is set to be the primary menu, okay? Once I only have one menu, this is my only menu. If I go to the live website, you're gonna be able to see only 4 items into my menu and only 4 items right here as well. Now, review the middle page, the middle section. We have add menu items, pages, posts, custom links, categories, and WooCommerce and points. Let's focus in the custom links. And right here, all we have to do is copy your website URL right here. Delete part of the text and type WP login, just like this, okay? And into the link text you can type login, just right here. Click on add to menu, click on save menu, blue buttons. Now if you go to the WordPress live website, next to contact, we're gonna be able to see a new item called login. Simple, easy, and really effective. In the case that you want to move this menu, you can apply this into a submenu of contact, for example, or you can move this around the menu, for example, next to homepage. You can apply a description to this item, you can customize this item in the case that you want, okay? For example, if you click on the screen options, just like this, you're gonna be able to type link target, attributes, CSS, description, close the screen option, go back, and right here you're gonna be able to see more options. Attributes, open the link into a new tab, and type a description to this link. Save change, and you are good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.